Hello students, welcome again in this video. Today I will teach you a new chapter of history, chapter 4, the Vedic period. I need to tell you, Aryans come in India, a new era start or new cultures begins in India. So learn about in this chapter arrival of Aryans, Ved, early Vedic period and later Vedic period.
So let's start study. We will learn about arrival of Aryans. In the previous chapter, that was Indus civilization. One of the reason behind the decline of the civilization was come from the Aryans. Aryans is the word comes from the Sanskrit word Arya. It is believed that Aryans entered India through Central Asia. They crossed the Hind Kush mountain and come with contact Harappan civilization. A new culture began in India with the coming of Aryans. We come to know about Aryans, where settled Aryans called Aryabharta. Next topic in this chapter, Ved. The word Ved means knowledge. There are four Ved: Rig Ved, Samved, Ajurved and Atharvaved. Rig Ved is the oldest of the four Veda and it contained 1028 hymns. Hymns means religious songs which are dedicated to gods like Agni, Varun, Indra. Next topic in this chapter, learn about Vedic age 1500 to 600 BC in divided into two parts. Early Vedic age 1500 to 1000 BC and later Vedic age 1000 to 600 BC. Now let's talk about early Vedic age. We will talk about political life, social life, economic life and religious life. To begin, let's to talk about political life. The Aryans organized themselves into tribes called Jana. Each Jana consisted of many villages called Grama. The head of the Grama was Gramini. The head of all the tribes was the Rajan or king who protected the tribes from the enemy. The Shava and the Samiti were two councils which advised and guided the king. Second, economic life. Agriculture and cattle rearing were important occupation. The main agriculture products were wheat, barley and cotton. Next topic, social life of early Vedic. In smallest unit of the Aryan society was the family. The oldest male member of the family was the head of called Grihpati. Women enjoyed and good society status in good society. The society was divided into four castes: Varna, Brahmins, Kshatriya, Vaisya and Sudra. The Brahmins performed all religious ceremonies. Kshatriya were warriors, Vaisya were merchants and Sudra did all the menial jobs. Religions. People prayed through prayers, hymns, sacrifices and yajna. They did not build temple and there were no idols. They worshipped in open. They worshipped the force of nature. Important gods were Indra, Varun, Surya, Vishnu and Vayu, Yam. Next topic, later Vedic period 1000 to 600 BC. The three Ved, Samved, Ajurved and Atharvaved were composed during this period. It is also called as epic age because Ramayana and Mahabharata, the two great epics, were also written in this period. Next topic, political life in later Vedic period. The king or Rajan become more powerful in this period and his position become more powerful and perform a Smed Yajna to increase his power. Next topic, economic life. The later Vedic period is marked by the discovery of iron. This is supported by archaeological evidence found in UP, The main occupation of the people was agriculture and very grew crops such as barley, rice, wheat, pulses, etc. The people who made tools. Social life of later Vedic period. Brahmins were scholars, Kshatriya were warriors, Vaisya were farmers, trades, and Shudra were laborers. The life of Aryan was divided into 4 stages of ashram. Brahmacharya was the first stage when the person stayed with his guru and received education. Second, Grihastha was the second stage when a person married and led the life of the householder. Third stage, Vanprastha was the third stage when one gave up worldly life and went to the forest to meditate. Last stage, Sannyas, was the last stage when one became the ascetic. Religious of later Vedic period, Prajapati, the creator later called Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva, were worshipped. Thanks. Have a nice day.